Jason here, in studio with special guest Fake Brad Pitt, discussing SAP's new Data and Analytics Learning Center.
Glad to be here. This is real nice.
Have you seen the new learning site for SAP Analytics Cloud and Data Warehouse Cloud? I think the Data and Analytics Learning Center is a beautiful site, really well designed. Between this and the courses at opensap.com, there's never been a better time to learn SAP Analytics.
Here's the deal. You want to talk charts and stats or whatever? I'm the guy. Playing the guy. Who played the guy? Who is your guy? Am I in the right studio?
FBP, I wanted your opinion on SAP Analytics Cloud. Didn't your people prep you? It should have taken literally a few minutes to log on to saphanajourney.com and get started with SAP Analytics Cloud and Data Warehouse Cloud. You get a free trial.
A free child? Can I teach them to make those cool charts with the predictive forecasted doodles built in?
Wait, it's a free trial, not a child. You can't
guess what? I'm going to the cloud.
Fake Brad Pitt, 2 a.m. You in Germany again?
It is over, Fake Jonah Hill. I don't need you anymore. Anyone can use SAP Analytics Cloud, Data Warehouse Cloud, and guess what? They give you a free child.
Brad, you've adopted several children. Look, I'm not prepared to discuss life choices. It's 2 a.m.
Thanks for being on the show, Jonah. It's a free trial, not a free child.
Even better, less paperwork. How do I get started?
Well, you can register at saphanajourney.com and try out the new courses. I'm going to learn more about Data Warehouse Cloud. There are these cool missions. It makes it kind of fun, like you're on a heist or something.
Like Ocean's 11?
Don't get him started.
First, I get Matt Damon and Clooney. Then we learn SAP Analytics Cloud so we can do AI without Jonah, since he hates fun.
Can I be done? I just want to go back to sleep.
Yeah. So, start your journey with the brand new courses at the Data and Analytics Learning Center, and check out more courses on SAC, Data Warehouse Cloud, and lots more at opensap.com. There's a ton of learning resources out there.
Like happy little dashboards. See, I told you I'd plug your website.
Thanks for watching. Check out the Data and Analytics Learning Center at saphanajourney.com.
Happy Little Dashboards the movie. How about you cast this guy?
I was thinking Tom Cruise.
Loved him in Fight Club? Oh wait, that was me? You know I played that.